Hello, and thank you for taking the time to view this message. I am so glad you're here. You want to stick around, as I promise it will be worth your time. The internet has brought about incredible change and opportunity like never before. And along with that is the opportunity to profit from selling online. But it all comes down to traffic. Creating a product or service isn't enough. You need people to actually see it. Thanks to the internet, it is easy to access a virtually unlimited source of targeted buyers. Did you know that it's actually possible to have your own digital products that you can sell online without the hassle of owning an actual brick and mortar space or filling your garage with boxes of inventory? Think about it. Creating a digital product only has to be done once, and this product can then be sold thousands and thousands of times. And creating a digital product is a lot easier than you probably realize. In fact, there are ways to do this in minutes. Actually, did you know that it's actually possible to make a full-time income online through selling other people's products? I'm not talking about making a small commission here, but more like 30, 50, sometimes even 75% commissions when you make a sale. And of course, you can do all of this without even leaving your home, through the amazing new opportunity provided by affiliate marketing. Now, think about that for a minute. Being able to sell things without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. Just bring in a sale and collect your commission. There are thousands upon thousands of people currently earning incomes through online marketing. But just because the path to success is out there doesn't mean it will be easy to follow. You need a guide, someone with experience who knows the way to success. We're excited to announce that our special offer is now available. For a limited time only, you can secure access right now. We'd love to share more with you about this exciting new opportunity that countless others online are already using to create full-time incomes. You can learn more directly below this video. Simply click the link below to learn more. We would love to share more about how we can help you.